to my channel. It's Juliet here and
OyiboAmaka. You all know how important it is to use a primer before your makeup, so please do make sure that you use the best primer that works for your skin before applying any foundation or powder. I'm going ahead to use the Anastasia Beverly Hills pomade in ebony for her brows. We have a full video on how I successfully shaved her bushy brows because Igbocurls does not like to shave her brows. She not only likes hair on her head, she likes hair on her brows. So I'm going ahead to use the LA Girl Pro Concealer below her brows. And I've used the concealer as a base for the eyeshadow. For the eyeshadow, I used all colors from the Masquerade Mini Palette by Juvia's Place. Juvia's Place has the best eyeshadow palettes, hands down, people. So if you're looking for all your 5 colors in one eyeshadow palette, Juvia's Place is your plug. I am building up her base with a light eyeshadow, and then I am going in with deeper colors. But the vibe I was going for in this video was something very subtle, like a subtle pink, and you need to stick to the end to just see the art I created on my sister's face. I absolutely loved creating this look. It was one that I was definitely very proud of. My sister's eye shape is very unique and different, and being able to create this look on her meant so much to me. She absolutely loved it for someone who does not typically wear heavy makeup. So I decided to do a cut crease because, you know, having an opportunity to go all out on her face only comes once in a blue moon. So I decided to do a cut crease with glitter, still using a pink glitter. And then in her inner corners, I decided to use a very light pink glittery shade. So guys, I'm not sure if you've noticed, but Igbocurls talks a lot. She does not know how to keep quiet. Throughout this video, you would see her mouth moving. I'm sure I'm not the only one that has noticed, but please let us know if you're able to recreate this look. This is a simple eyeshadow look in my opinion. I did use the NYX pencil to cut her crease, in case you were wondering. So the trick with eyeshadow colors, especially when you're trying to use different colors, is you go from light to dark. You do not start with your darkest color shade, so you go from light to dark, and you're able to manage how that looks for different people with different skin tones. eyeshadows would look different. So oh my days, sister, I didn't realize. What is this dancing shit? What is oh my days. Okay, so I did not realize that my sister decided to embarrass me with that funny dance hand gesture. I do not dance in real life. All I know how to do best is scream and shout and hype other people who know how to dance properly. So I'm going ahead to use the LA Girl corrector all over her face to hide her dark spots. She doesn't have dark spots, she only has dark areas. So I used that on her face. I have gone ahead to use the MAC Pro Long Wear foundation on her skin. Luckily my sister is the same shade as myself, so I've just used my foundation on her skin, which as you can all see works perfectly. So I'm using the MAC Mineralized Skin Finish Powder in dark deep all over her face. To bronze her skin, I was using the CoverGirl bronzer in Queen Collection, but they do not retail this anymore, so I had to purchase the Fenty Beauty bronzer in Mocha Mami. So that's what I use currently. I'm sure you all must have discovered that sometimes you have to use other products to make other things work for you. So to highlight her face, I am using an eyeshadow. Yes, you heard me. I'm using an eyeshadow. I'm using the Kiko Milano eyeshadow in 235 because it is just a fantastic product. So I'm using that all over the areas that need it. I'm just going back into her eyeshadow to make sure that there are no harsh lines, and using the MAC Mineralizing Skin Finish Powder. It's always so wordy for me to say. Anyway, I am adding a white eyeliner in her waterline, just to bring out her eyes a little bit so it's not dull. I thought about using black, but I was like, nah, that's not gonna make this look pop. So I'm going over her waterline with the same pink eyeshadow, and I'm glad this actually worked out. Just below the bronzer, I use the Sacha Buttercup all over again, and I just keep this for a few minutes and dust it off. This is just to enhance her cheekbones and to define, obviously, the bronzer that I placed earlier on. My sister tears up a lot, so I allowed her to do her eyelash, her mascara herself. If not, she was gonna tear up all over the makeup. So to set her face, we've used the NYX setting spray, but currently my best setting spray is the Morphe Mattifying Continuous Setting Mist. This setting spray is the life. Shout out to Vanessa Gimia for plugging me with this one. It is amazing. On her lips, I am using a lipstick from Kiko Milano, a nude lipstick, and an NYX brown lip pencil. Wow! And I decided to add a bit of gloss, just, for that extra glam.
Thank you all so much for watching. Don't forget to live well, live great, and pray always. Happy holidays. Bye.